Good. Googly moogly. Super Chicken TV. Chickens unite. What, man?
I'll subscribe to your channel, baby.
What's going on, Chicken Champs? Welcome back to another episode of Super Chicken TV with your host, the one and only, Super Chicken. So today we're doing another Super Chicken Challenge. KFC, Churches, and Popeyes are back today again, and Chic-fil-a. Sounds like we're doing the same video, huh? I was gonna say shit, but I didn't want to cuss. But we're not. We're doing chicken sandwiches, all right? Today I'm gonna decide which chicken sandwich tastes the best, and I'm gonna try to pick where each chicken sandwich belonged, where it came from, all right? I got my sexy ass blindfold here. I'm gonna cover up. Super Chicken Lady's gonna spread it out, and we're gonna get to business. Super Chicken Sandwich Challenge, ooh-wee! All right, chickens, I have not seen our entries. Obviously, I haven't tasted them. Super Chicken Lady just laid them out. Let's not dilly-daddle. Let's see what we got. Let's see who wins. Let's see whose chicken sandwich will reign supreme. All right? So, you guide me, Chicken Lady. I went to the edge here. Boom. So there's one. All right. And you cut them in half, right?
No. Just bite.
Oh, shit. Okay, you were supposed to cut it in half. She said do the damn thing. All right. Okay. That's good. That's gooder than a bitch. That's crispy. Okay. That's real good. And we got these chicken sandwiches, original, no spicy, and we got them as is with the condiments that come with it. Because I feel like these restaurants take a lot of time and consideration and taste tests to put the best, whatever, whether it be tomato, lettuce, pickles, whatever sauce goes on it. So I want them as they were intended, as the way the good Lord intended, the way Happy Gilmore taught me when I was a kid. All right. Okay. Damn good. That was delicious. Crispy, delectable seasonings. Okay. I feel like I touched a butt. Feels like a booty right there. All right. Okay. That was a great start. It helps because I haven't eaten all day. I'm so hungry. Cleanse my palate. All right, chicken sandwich number 2. Bun is soft. Okay. This bun feels a little, I don't know, it feels chewy, okay? This one just feels soft, if you get what I'm saying. Oh, damn. Okay, way different flavor. Okay. This whole got mayonnaise. Super Chicken love mayonnaise. That is really good. I'm touching this little end here, so I don't know if it's a chicken sandwich. I don't know if it's a chicken breast or chicken tenders, but damn, that's good. That is, damn, man, this is gonna be hard. Okay. The mayo or salad dressing goes a long way with this. Tastes like Miracle Whip. God damn, this is, Three? Right? Chicken Lady?
And I don't know which one's which right now. USOL.
I have to say, guys, this is a really good challenge. These chicken sandwiches are amazing so far. Hope none of them suck. Okay, this one feels like it sucks. Damn it, I shouldn't have said anything. It's like thick on this side and skinny than a bitch on this side. Why they do that? Disproportionate ass chicken. Okay. Bun feels a little stale. Sad down here. So let's give that a shot. Boo! I'm not gonna lie, my fat ass could eat 4 of these, okay? But, does not hold a candle to these first 2. This thing, the bun is trash. There's nothing really popping out, whether it pickles or the sauce or mayonnaise, anything. It's just Okay. That one's all right. Definitely my least favorite so far. Okay. Hey, babe, could I have a paper towel?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Please? All right. Again, enjoying this so much. I'm gonna just eat all my food blindfolded from now on. Last but not least, number 4. Did I get it?
Yep, you're right there.
Oh shit, we got sesame seeds? Oh damn, this is God's texture on burgers and chicken sandwiches everywhere. A little bit of sesame seed. Okay. And this thing is tiny.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was surprised you didn't mention that.
Another one had seeds?
No, the size.
Oh, you're right. I mean, I mentioned this one being lopsided.
Okay, go.
This right here feels like it's gonna suck. It feels bad. This feels bad. This does not feel right. I don't feel comfortable putting this in my mouth.
That's what she said.
I was trying to fix my glasses. All right. Definitely the worst.
Alright.
It just tastes. Believe it or not, this shit tastes sour.
Sour?
You know what? It tastes like pickle juice. But not like good pickle juice. 'Cause I know Chick-fil-A, they marinate their shit in pickle juice. This just tastes like.
Wait, do they really?
Yeah.
Oh.
They marinate their chicken in pickle juice, baby. Look it up. Come on, girl, get on my level. This sandwich is shit. This is horrible. This is horrible. I'm gonna say this is Church's probably. All I taste, and it's sad because of the sesame seeds. I felt like they should just they're doing sesame seeds a disservice. But yeah, all it tastes is sour ass pickles, chicken is bland, no sauce, dry ass chicken sandwich. Go on, get. All right. So, this one, okay, 4th place, 3rd place. These two right here.
So, 4th place,
You saw what I
3rd
did.
place.
All right. These two bad boys right here. Ooh-wee. And 3rd place wasn't bad at all. Did I say it was bad?
You said it was the worst, so.
It was the worst so far.
Well, there's only
But I also said I could eat 10 of those if I wanted to. If I had to. All right. Here we go. No, you got that sauce on my finger. Taste you first. Okay. I was blind, but now I see. Shit, I don't even know anymore. I hope this is Chick-fil-A. It can't be Chick-fil-A.
Well, just look for the pickle marinade.
Oh, shut up. You know what? This is Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A right here. This is a damn good sandwich. And this, we talk about size, this fat motherfucker.
Plucker.
That's Popeyes. All right? And these two, who would have thought these two would be the top 2? I mean, everybody would have thought, because they're the best. They've made so many chicken videos about these 2 chicken sandwiches specifically.
Chick-fil-A and Popeyes.
All right.
So out of those 2, which one wins?
Hold on, baby. Damn, don't rush me. This is very difficult. Gosh dang it.
Pikachu over there is just happy you're not putting him between 2 buns.
I'm sure those little Pikachu cheeks are delicious. Boy. All right. So, hold off.
You said that one was
3rd place?
3rd place. Why are you still eating them? You're trying to see if it's still 3rd place?
No. That's KFC.
Okay.
I'm only going to say this is Church's.
Okay.
For the record, I've never had a KFC sandwich or a Church's sandwich. And just based on my last Church's experiences. I'm pretty sure this is Church's. Horrible sandwich. I'm not gonna take another bite. I will off camera. I'm gonna eat the whole thing, but in front of you guys, I'm gonna save face and pretend to be of high quality and standards. KFC, Church's, Chick-fil-A, Popeyes. Which one of these two is better? I don't know.
Okay, just do it. You're eating all the sandwich. Okay.
Popeyes.
Try the other one.
Number one.
So you think that's Popeyes?
Number one right here. Popeyes.
All right.
This has to. Oh, hold on. What if I'm wrong?
Just
I'm gonna be so embarrassed.
bite it and see if it's Popeyes. Is it Popeyes? Does it taste like Popeyes to you? Does it
Hell yeah.
Does it taste like Louisiana?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Cajun. All right.
Take them off. Okay.
Oh,
Now,
I was wrong.
see?
That is not Chick-fil-A.
You were wrong.
Oh my god, Chicken, you are so dumb.
You were so stupid.
Dumb as dirt, bro. Dumb as dirt.
Stupid.
Not right now.
Out of these 4 chicken sandwiches, Chick-fil-A placed third place, second to last.
Yeah, you thought it was second place.
I did. I made a mistake. And you know why? Because in my head, I always said Chick-fil-A is amazing. Chick-fil-A is the best.
Well, the prices are on.
And wow, insane. But of course, you've never had the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Gosh dang it.
The hype is
For a
real.
reason. They are amazing. They're
No
delicious.
joke.
You see that big ass breast. Crispy, saucy. The bun. Look at that. Shiny.
Glazed.
Oh. All right, chicken champs. So turns out the Church's sandwich was $1.50. Tasted like 59 cents. This was trash. Very disappointed in Chick-fil-A today. Dry ass bun, very stale, thin, super thin chicken patty. Wow. Step your game up, Chick-fil-A. KFC, always the wild card. Second time in a row, KFC has surprised me. This sandwich, that's what it was. All that goop and nasty ass salad dressing, mayonnaise right there. Delicious. Terrific sandwich. Sweet. Sweet sauce. Tangy pickles. Crispy chicken. Number 2. Thought that was Chick-fil-A because my mind wasn't right. You know, I always have Chick-fil-A up here. So that's my bad. Numero uno. You hear that? You hear that? Mm-hmm. That's what a chicken sandwich is supposed to sound like. Watch this. Look. Watch this. That's Popeyes right there. That's Popeyes right there. How did I know? Sound, baby. Damn! Fat ass chicken sandwich. I love you. Chicken champs, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this Super Chicken Sandwich Challenge. Unfortunately, I didn't get them all right. That's my bad. I got KFC and Chick-fil-A mixed up. But in my order of least to favorite, Church's, dead last. Chick-fil-A, second to last. KFC, second place. Popeyes, first place, baby.
Stop spanking my chicken sandwich. I'm gonna hate that.
Girl, if you don't silent right now, I'm doing something.